Hey, welcome back to LingoMania. Take a breath. Wherever you are right now, at home, on the bus, walking, resting, you're in the right place. This podcast is about growth, about language, about understanding the world, one word at a time. In the last episodes, we talked about starting from zero. We talked about consistency. Today, we're going one step deeper. In this episode, we're answering a very simple question. How can you learn English every day? Not perfectly, not fast, not in a stressful way, but naturally and realistically. Because learning English is not about studying all the time. It's about living with the language. Most people think learning English looks like this: sitting at a desk, opening a book, studying grammar rules, feeling tired, feeling stressed. And yes, sometimes that helps, but that's not how real language learning works. Think about your native language. You didn't study it, you didn't memorize rules, you didn't open grammar books as a child. You heard it. You saw it. You lived it. Language entered your life slowly through people, stories, music, conversations. English should be the same. Learning English every day doesn't mean I must study every day. It means English is part of my daily life. That small shift in mindset changes everything. If you remember only one thing from this episode, remember this: listening comes first, always, before speaking, before writing, before grammar. Your brain needs to hear English again and again and again. That's how your brain learns. It listens, it recognizes patterns, it connects sounds to meaning. That's why children listen for years before speaking properly. So, what should you listen to? Podcasts like this one, YouTube videos, simple interviews, short stories, everyday conversations. And here's something very important. You don't need to understand everything. Not understanding is not failure. It's part of the process. Understanding grows naturally with time and repetition. Even 10 minutes of listening every day can change your English in a few months. Consistency beats intensity. Here's a secret most learners don't realize. You already have time. You already watch videos, you already scroll, you already listen to music. So don't add English to your life. Replace something with English. Watching YouTube? Watch in English. Listening to music? Read the lyrics. Scrolling social media? Follow English pages, English creators, English quotes. Your life stays the same, but the language changes. This is how English becomes natural, not forced. Many learners wait too long to speak. They say, when my English is better, when my accent is good, when I feel confident. But speaking is how your English gets better. You don't need long conversations. You don't need native speakers. You don't need perfect grammar. Start small. Speak to yourself. Describe your day. Today I worked. I feel tired. I liked this video. Talk while walking. Talk while cooking. Talk in your head. Simple English is not bad English. Simple English is real English. Let's talk about words. Many people try to memorize long lists of words, and then they forget everything. Instead, learn words from context, from videos, from sentences, from real situations. When you hear a word again and again, it sticks. And remember this rule: one word used 10 times is better than 10 words used 0 times. Learn fewer words, but use them, say them, think with them, write them. That's how vocabulary becomes yours. Let's imagine a normal day. You wake up, you listen to 5 to 10 minutes of English. Later, you watch one short video in English, no pressure. During the day, you say a few sentences to yourself. At night, maybe you learn one new word. That's it. That's learning English every day. Not stress, not perfection, just exposure. Learning English every day doesn't mean pressure. It means presence. A little listening, a little speaking, a little curiosity. You're not late. You're not bad at languages. You're just learning step by step. This is LingoMania, and you're growing even when you don't notice it. See you in the next episode.